Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an OWGels oxygen concentrator at home. First, find a stable, flat surface for your concentrator, ensuring it's at least 1 foot away from any walls or furniture for proper airflow. Next, check that the particle filter is securely in place. Then, fill your humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure the water level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Finally, connect the humidifier bottle and your nasal cannula tubing firmly to the appropriate ports. Now, let's get your OWGels concentrator running. Plug the device directly into a wall outlet. Please avoid using extension cords or power strips. Turn on the main power switch, usually located at the back, then press the power button on the front panel. Carefully adjust the oxygen flow rate to your doctor's prescribed setting, typically between 0 and 5 liters per minute. You should see gentle bubbling in the humidifier bottle, indicating oxygen is flowing correctly. Proper maintenance ensures your concentrator works efficiently. Clean the external filter weekly using mild soap and water, then let it air dry completely before reinserting. Internal filters should be replaced annually or as recommended by your healthcare provider. Regularly clean your nasal cannula and humidifier bottle with mild soap. To prolong the life of your device, allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes after every 7 to 8 hours of continuous operation. Safety is paramount when using oxygen therapy. Always keep your concentrator at least 5 feet away from any open flames, heat sources, or electrical appliances. Never use aerosol sprays, oil-based products, or smoke while operating the unit. If you experience low oxygen flow, check for kink tubing or loose connections. If alarms persist, or if the device malfunctions, please contact your medical equipment provider immediately for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.